Hello, my dear students. How are you all? I hope that you all will be fine and doing great at your home. Student, welcome to your online classes. This is your subject teacher of English from LPM Public School, which is situated in Gola Bazar, Gorakhpur. Student, today's video I am going to explain the exercises of chapter number 1. In my previous video, we have already completed exercise A. So now today's video I am going to explain the next remaining exercises, which is exercise B, C. Okay students, so for that you all take out your grammar book and open page number 3. So student, we have already completed exercise A. So now next is exercise B, which is rearrange this jumble word to make sentences. Use capital letters and the correct punctuation mark. So student, what will we do in this exercise? So for that we all take out our notebooks and mention date of today. So student, you have to rearrange this given sentence, okay, because we all know that a sentence is a group of arrangement, okay. In this given sentences, the words are not in a proper order, so we have to rearrange these given words, okay, and after that we have to use capital letters and punctuation, proper punctuation mark, okay. So dear student, as we all know that a sentence is a group of words that make a complete sense, and a sentence is always begin with a capital letter and end with a full stop, question mark and exclamation mark. So we have to use the proper punctuation mark, okay. We have to use the correct punctuation mark in this given sentences. So firstly we have to rearrange the given jumbled words. So student, first of all you have to mention the given heading, okay, which is exercise B, rearrange these jumbled words to make sentences. Use capital letter and the correct punctuation mark. And after that you have to write the first, number 1, which is rubber mat are balls of tennis. Rubber mat are balls of tennis. So we have to rearrange these given words, okay, these given jumbled words. So dear student, we have to arrange this given jumbled word in a correct order. So firstly we have to write tennis, okay. There is number 1 is tennis, so we have to write tennis here and we have to use capital letter, okay. First letter begin with a capital letter, okay. So tennis balls are made of rubber. So like this we have to arrange this given jumbled words. Firstly we have to write tennis, second is ball, okay, third is R, fourth is mad, fifth is of, and sixth is rubber, okay. Tennis balls are made of rubber. Like this we have to rewrite this given sentence, okay. Now the next is soldiers, the enemies, the attacked. Soldiers, the enemies, the attacked. So we have to write, firstly we have to write the, after that soldier, then next is attack, after that fourth, and fifth is enemies, okay. The soldiers attack the enemies. So like this we have to write, we have to rearrange the given jumbled words. So the sentence will be the soldiers attack the enemies, okay. So now next, number 3. In number 3 there is oven is bread in baked and. Oven is bread in baked and. So we have to write, firstly we have to write bread, after that second is age, third is baked, fourth is in, fifth is and sixth is oven. So the sentence will be bread is baked in an oven. Bread is baked in an oven, okay, and after that we have to put a full stop. Now the next, number 4. In number 4, must your truth speak always the. Must your truth speak always the. So we have to write, you must always speak the truth. You must always speak the truth, okay. Now the next, number 5. In number 5, hard working hurts boy each discipline and. Hard working hurts boy each discipline and. So we have to rearrange this given jumble word. So firstly we have to write hurts in number 1, second age, third a, fourth hard, fifth working, okay. After that and, 6, next is discipline, and after that last one is boy. So like this we have to rearrange this given jumbled word. So after that the sentence will be, hers is a hard working and disciplined boy. Hers is a hard working and disciplined boy. So like this we have to complete number 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Now the next, moving to the next number, there is a next number is, during Srinagar is very winters cold in it. The next number 6 is, during Srinagar is very winters cold in it. So student, we have to rearrange this given jumbled word. Firstly we have to write 8. Second is age. It is very cold in Srinagar. Number 5 in. Number 6 is Srinagar. Number 7 is during. And last one is number 8 is winter. So the sentence will be, it is very cold in Srinagar during winter. It is very cold in Srinagar during winter. Now the moving to the next, after completing number 6, now moving to the next number. The next is number 7. So in number 7 there is, it hot meal when the it age. It hot meal when the it age. So firstly we have to write 8. Second the. Third is meal. Fourth is when. Fifth is 8, 6 is age, and 7 is hot. Okay, so the sentence we have to write, it is, eat the meal when it is hot. Eat the meal when it is hot. Now the next, number 8. In number 8 there is, walks every morning 5 morning miles. Okay, walk every morning 5 morning miles. So we have to rearrange this given jumbled word. So the sentence will be, Mayank walks 5 miles every morning. So student, in number 8 we have to write, Mayank walks 5 miles every morning. Okay. Now moving to the next, number 9. In number 9 there is, your always hands and a meal before wash up with water. Your always hand and a meal before wash soap with water. So student, we have to rearrange the given sentence, okay, given jumbled words. So the firstly we have to write, always wash your hand with soap and water before a meal. The sentence will be, always. In number 9 we have to write, always wash your hand with soap and water before a meal. Okay student. Now moving to the next, there is a next number, number 10. In number 10 there is a jumbled word. Jumbled words are, one Taj Mahal of most the beautiful of India building is the. One Taj Mahal of most the beautiful of India building is the. So student, we have to rearrange this given jumbled word. So firstly we have to write, the Taj Mahal. The Taj Mahal is one of the most beautiful building of India. Firstly we have to write in number 1, the. Okay, in number 1, the. Second is Taj Mahal. Okay, after that is one of the most beautiful building of India. Like this we have to rearrange this given jumbled words. Okay, and we have to use proper punctuation mark in the given sentences. Okay, so student, as we all know that a sentence always begin with a capital letter and end with a full stop, question mark or exclamation mark. So like this we have to use the given punctuation mark. Okay students, so now moving to the next exercise. After completing the exercise B, we have to do the next one is exercise C. So dear student, you have to write this given exercise B in your notebook with a good handwriting. After completing the exercise B, we moving to the next, that is exercise C. So what will we do in exercise C? So in exercise C, there is add suitable words to this phrase to make sentences. Okay, add suitable word to this phrases to make sentences. So student, we have to add the suitable words to this given phrases, and after that we have to make a sentence. So for that you have write this exercise in your notebook. Okay student, there is total 10 phrases, so you have to make sentence with the help of this given phrases. Okay, you have to add the suitable words in front of given phrases. There is total 10. First is for 3 hours, second is on the floor, third is behind the cupboard, fourth is in my pocket, fifth is near the stairs, sixth is near the playground, seventh is at the mall, eighth is into the pool, ninth is toward east, 10th is with a spoon. So student, let's start the writing. So there is first for 3 hours. For 3 hours, so we have to add words he spoke. Okay, he spoke. So the sentence will be he spoke for 3 hours. Okay student. Now the next, on the floor. There is the next phrase is on the floor. So we have to add the ball is on the floor. The ball is on the floor. Okay. Now the next, number third, behind the cupboard. Number third is behind the cupboard. So student, we have to add the words the cat is. The cat is behind the cupboard. The cat is behind the cupboard. In number 1, we have to write he spoke for 3 hours. Number 2, we have to write the ball is on the floor. In number 3, we have to write the cat is behind the cupboard. Now the next phrase is in my pocket. Next phrase is in my pocket. So student, we have to add words I have 10 rupees. I have 10 rupees in my pocket. I have 10 rupees in my pocket. Okay student. In number 4, we have to write I have 10 rupees in my pocket. Okay student. Now moving to the next, there is next is number 5. In number 5, there is a phrase near the stairs. Near the stairs. So what will we write? So we have to write these girls are talking near the stairs. These girls are talking near the stairs. Okay student. In number 5, we have to write these girls are talking near the stair. Now moving to the next, number 6. In number 6, there is near the playground. Near the playground. So we have to write these boys are playing near the playground. These boys are playing near the playground. Okay student. Now the next, number 7. The next phrase is given in the number 7, at the mall. At the mall. So we have to write I bought new shirt at the mall. I bought new shirt at the mall. So like this we have to complete number 7. Now moving to the next, there is a next number 8. In number 8, there is a next phrase is into the pool. Into the pool. So we have to write the dog fell into the pool. The dog fell into the pool. Now next, number 9. In number 9, there is a phrase towards east. Towards east. So we have to write your face should be towards east. Okay, your face should be towards east. Now the next, the last one is number 10. In number 10, there is a phrase with a spoon. There is a phrase with a spoon. So we have to write you should take food with a spoon. We have to write in number 10, that is you should take food with a spoon. So student, like this you have to complete exercise B and C in your notebook. Okay dear student, I hope you all understood that how could we write this given exercises in notebook with a good handwriting. So firstly you have to write exercise B and after that exercise C. In exercise B, we have to rearrange this jumble word to make sentences, use capital letter and the correct punctuation mark. So we have to complete exercise B in notebook, and after that next is exercise C. So in exercise C, we have add suitable words to this phrase to make sentences. We have already completed. So now, dear students, that's it for today. I hope is that clear to you that how could we write the exercises in notebook. So till then, stay safe, stay healthy and keep watching my video. Thank you.